Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about latest job openings at Conduit, a multinational company. Let us see what are the job openings available. Firstly, if you have to know about the company, you can check about here. Like if you can see what are the services they offer and industries they serve. Everything they mentioned clearly on their web page. On the home page, you can clearly know about the company and you can get information about the company. And it is always recommended to know about the company a basic information and what are the locations they serve and what are the like services they offer, what are the industries they serve, what are the technologies they work. Everything clearly you should know before attending the interview or before applying for any company. It is a very helpful procedure to crack the interview. Okay, don't forget to know about the company basic information before attending the interview or before applying for any company. It is very important, guys. Okay, and we can see what are the job openings available all over India in major cities. Okay, north south, both South India and North India. Firstly, you can see here careers. You can see careers tab. Just click on this careers tab. I just clicked on careers tab. It will redirect it to the careers page, and you can see jobs.conduent.com, and you can see here there is variety of options available. Careers home, like you can, if you want to search, means you can search, and locations wise everything is available. Okay, if you come down little down, you can see here you can enter city or like state, anything, country you can mention. I am just clicking on find jobs. I am not entering here because if you just click on this find jobs, you can filter easily country wise, state wise, and city wise actually. Okay, I am just clicking on find jobs. Now you can see there is a filter will be created to search for a job. Okay, you can see here locations, what are the locations they serve. It will be included all the states and like countries as well. And to make it easy for you, you can select India. Okay, there is 58 openings available throughout India. You can just check this India. Then if you want, you can select state wise as well. It is located in Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, and Kerala. All these states have a vacancies, and it is the company located in all these states of cities. Okay, here if you come, you can select cities as well. Okay, if you want to check what are the openings available in Bangalore, you can check 42 vacancies are there in Bangalore location, and 10 vacancies for Noida location, 6 vacancies for Hyderabad location, 3 vacancies for Gandipet Mandal location, 1 vacancy in Gurgaon, and 1 vacancy in Kochi. If you want to filter for Bangalore location, just check this Bangalore location. You can see all these job openings are available for Bangalore location. Most of them will be for experienced. You have to check each and everything before applying, and you can, if you want to know more information, you can just click on particular job position and you can get more information. And you can see here work from home options are available for few of the job application. You can do that. See, you can, if you want to know about more like what is the job qualification description, you just click on that particular job role, you can see. Okay, so this is a working from home option is available. You can see location is Bangalore, but they are giving a working from home option. Okay, like this there are variety of job openings available. You can check what are the qualifications as per your requirement. You can just check one by one and you can get to know more information after clicking on the particular job role. If you meet the requirements of the particular role, you can just apply. You can see in the next page also there is a variety of job openings available for accountants and for web developer, IT operations analyst, supervisor, workforce manager. Like this, so many vacancies are there, guys. and so many departments as well. Under information technology department there are some openings, and customer support and administration department there is some openings. Like this, different departments they have own vacancies. You can check the each and everything here clearly. You can just click on this, you will be redirected to the clear information about particular job. There is a job description and qualification details, what are the required skills, what is the experience required, everything clearly mentioned guys. What are the preferred skills, you can easily get to know. And you can see they've also provided the email id to apply directly, or you can apply just clicking on this apply button. There is two procedures, there is a email id and also you can apply through the this website as well. Okay, this is very easy to apply guys, this is on this website as well. And we will see for other locations as well. If you see select like if you select Hyderabad, we will see Hyderabad location. In Hyderabad location there is two vacancies it is showing. Okay, you can just clear all once again, and I will check Hyderabad only. And first country we have to select, then you can select city. Now you can see we will check for Hyderabad. There is 6 vacancies available. You can see there is a application developer, most of them are for information technology department for this Hyderabad location. Okay, and for Hyderabad location as well there is some work from home options, and here you can see multiple, this position is available in multiple locations. Like this you can filter the each and every job and apply for your requirements. Okay, you can just uncheck Hyderabad and see in Noida. In Noida there is 10 vacancies, most of them are for experienced guys. So I will be this will be very helpful for experienced professionals. You can check each and everything clearly given information. You can directly apply clicking on this apply now button, you can apply, or if you just click on this you can find the email id provided. For few of them they have provided the email id direct, and for few of them you have to apply through this button only. You can just click on this apply button, you will be redirected to the apply page. See, you can fill your email id and you can just accept and you can proceed further. Okay, it is very easy going guys. If you face any problem let me know in comments, I will be replying for that. I will be very happy to help you guys. My intention is to help the job seekers without any worries, without any consultancy needs. Why should we go for consultancy guys? We have talent, our own talent. Why should we go for consultancy? We can set job ourselves. Just follow our channel, definitely you will get a lot of knowledge about how to search the jobs, everything. I am providing a lot of information, and throughout India all cities I am covering. You can see for Gandipet Mandal there are 3 locations, three job openings. You can see there is 3 openings for this location, and then we will select Gurgaon, there is one vacancy, and for Kochi there is 1 vacancy. Okay, so that's it guys. In this video I'll be coming up with more job openings updates for all over India, major cities, for any location like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Noida, Gurgaon, Kochi, all over India. I am covering all the job openings for both freshers and experienced professionals as well. And this is purely genuine, and you know, do not worry about even 1% also, no doubt in that. In this regards, you can directly go through this and apply without any worries, and definitely you will be hear from the companies if they are in need of requirement immediately based on their application process. It may take some time. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video guys. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings, and please share my channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. There are many job updates given on our channel, recent job updates. You can check other locations if you are looking. Thank you so much for watching the guys. Have a good day.